Good morning, second piece students. Today let us go to the exercise problem number 7. Already 6 completed. Problem number 7. Find the area of the smaller part. Find the area of smaller. Find the area of smaller part of the circle. Smaller part of the circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square of the circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square. Cut off by the line. 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 X is equal to a by root 2. Find the area of the smaller part. Smaller part. First of all, this is x-axis, y-axis. X square plus y square is equal to a square. This is the circle of x square plus y square is equal to a square. So x square plus y square is equal to a square. A square means what is the radius? Radius is equal to a. Radius is equal to a. A is the radius. So radius a. Okay, x square plus y square is equal to a square. This is the circle. And radius is equal to x square plus y square is equal to a square means radius is equal to a. This is a comma 0. Okay, smaller area of the circle cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. This is x is equal to a by root 2. X is equal to a by root 2. Okay, x is equal to a by root 2. So in the two parts, this is the first part and second part. What is the smaller part? This is the smaller part. Smaller part. Smaller part starting from a by root 2 ending a by root 2 to a. So solution, given circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. That implies y square is equal to a square minus x square. Y is equal to root of a square minus x square. Okay. Area is equal to this area, the part to, you got two parts. This is the above and below, first quadrant to fourth quadrant, two parts. A by root 2 to a means this is only this one. So the both parts we have to calculate, both parts. Both parts means 2 into 0 integral a by root 2 to a y dx. So that is equal to integral a by root 2 to a y is equal to root of a square minus x square dx. So direct formula, integral root of a square minus x square is equal to formula, direct formula, that is equal to 2 into x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a over the limits a by root 2 to a. So that is equal to 2 into, so first apply the upper limit a. So a square minus x instead of x, substitute x is equal to a. Upper limit a square minus a square 0 plus first upper limit taken on bracket, small bracket, a square by 2 into sin inverse a by a 1. This is the upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is what? A by root 2. A by root 2 by 2 into root of a square minus a by root 2 whole square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x is equal to x by a. X is equal to a by root 2. A by root 2 by a. Okay. So that is equal to 2 into a square by 2 into sin inverse 1 is equal to pi by 2 minus a by root 2 by 2 a by 2 root 2. Next, root of a square minus this calculation. Root of a square minus a by root 2 whole square is equal to a by 2. So root of a square by 2. Root of a square by 2 means a by root 2. Only this one, a by root 2. Root of a square by 2 is equal to a by root 2. Minus into plus minus a square by 2 into a cancel sin inverse. Sin inverse 1 by root 2 is equal to pi by 4 because of sin 5 by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2 into pi by 4. Okay. Next. 2 into pi a square by 4 minus a into a square 2 root 2 into 2 4 minus pi a square by 8 pi a square by 8. So that is equal to 2 into pi a square by 4 pi a square by 8. So pi a square by 4 common from last and first and last, common with pi a square by 4. Pi a square by 4 is equal to 1 minus 1, okay, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2. Multiply pi a square into 1 by 4 equal to 1, pi a square by 4 into 1 by 2, pi a square by 8 minus a square by 4. Okay, multiply 2, multiply with 2. So 2 ones 2 twos, 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So e2 e1 by 2 cancel. Pi a square by 4 minus 2 ones 2 twos, a square by 2. This is the area. Only calculation is difficult is nothing. Simple. A by root 2. The a by root 2 is dividing the two parts. Circle divides two parts. This is the smaller part and bigger part. Find the area of the smaller part. The smaller part, this is the two symmetric two types. First quadrant and fourth quadrant, two quadrants. Two quadrant means 2 into y. Y is equal to root of a square minus x square. Root of a square minus x square is also direct formula. Only simplification is a major part. Simplification, plus minus, adding, subtractions. This is the major one. Okay, important one. Next, next one. Next, 8th question. The area between x is equal to y square and y is equal to 4. X is equal to y square and x is equal to 4 is divided into two equal parts. Is divided into two equal parts. Divided into two equal parts. Divided into two equal parts by the line x is equal to a. By the line x is equal to a. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. This is the question. Given curve y square is equal to xo. Y square is equal to x, then y square is equal to 4axo. And y is equal to, what is y? Y is equal to root xo. So y square is equal to xo means y square is equal to 4axo. Okay, this is the parabola. So 8th question. Next, y square is equal to x square. Y divided x. Next, this is the parabola. Y square is equal to x parabola. Next, x is equal to 4. For example, this is x is equal to 4. Starting 0. 0 to 4. Okay, ఈ 0 to 4 ఈ పార్ట్, ఈ ఏరియా పార్ట్ డివైడ్ ఇంటూ టూ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ బై ది లైన్ x is equal to a. ఈ x is equal to a అనే లైను ఈ పెరాబోలాను టూ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్గా సపరేట్ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. డివైడ్ ఇంటూ టూ ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వల్? 0 a b a b c d. Okay, divide into two equal parts. The area between y square is equal to x, parabola x is equal to 4 parallel to y axis. Here divided into two equal parts by the line x is equal to a ane line divide into two parts. That parabola divide into two parts. So equal parts. So therefore the area of OAB is equal to OAB, this area OAB equal to area of ABCD, area of ABCD. So OAB area starting from 0 to A, this is A, 0 to A. 0 to a y dx is equal to integral, second part is a to 4, 0 to a to 4. Okay, two equal parts, a to 4 y dx. So 0 to a y is equal to root x dx. 0 to a to 4 y is equal to root x dx. Okay, root x derivative 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 over the limits 0 to a, that is equal to 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 over the limits a to 4. The 2 by 3 cancel. First upper limit. First upper limit a power 3 by 2 minus 0 power 3 by 2 is equal to 4 power 3 by 2 minus a power 3 by 2. So a 0 power anything 0. So a power 3 by 2 plus a power 3 by 2 is equal to 4. 4 means 2 square whole power 3 by 2. So that is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8. Okay. So a power 3 by 2 plus a power 3 by 2 equal to a 2 into a power 2 by 3 is equal to 8. So a power 3 by 2 is equal to 4. So a is equal to 4 power. This left side power is 3 by 2. The left side power goes to right side means reverse. 3 by 2 can be changed into 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So what is the a value? A value is 4 power 2 by 3. A is equal to 4 power 2 by 3. Okay, now this one. Simple. Area, both parts are equal parts. Next, angle between the two curves. Definition: angle between two curves. The diagram, this is y-axis, x-axis. The diagram is this type. This is x is equal to a, x is equal to b. This is y is equal to f of x, y is equal to g of x. So area. And diagram e type, two curves kodtiri. Okay, you have to given two curves. In two curves, the starting is A and ending is B. There is no intersecting the two curves. Intersecting curves at A and at B. In between, there is no anywhere. Okay. So area. So what is the area? Integral A to B. Integral A to B. What is the upper curve? F of x. F of x minus g of x dx. This is the third one. Next quality, angle between the two curves. In the up to 7 problems and next to 11 to 14 problems in first exercise, these all problems are simple curves, only one curve. So here two curves, angle between area between the two curves. Area between two curves means so the diagram is this type, like this. The diagram is like this. This is upper curve is f of x minus lower curve is g of x, f of x minus g of x. Okay, now area. Okay. Suppose we are given two curves. Suppose we are given two given curves represented by represented by y is equal to f of x, y is equal to g of x, where f of x is greater than or equal to g of x in closed interval a comma b in domain. A b domain means limits. Here the point of intersection of these, here the point of intersection of these two curves are given by x is equal to a and x is equal to b, obtained by the taking common values. So area, for area a is equal to integral a to b f of x minus g of x dx. So this is the matter of area between the two curves, the starting intersecting at point A and ending intersecting the two curves x is equal to b. In between there is no intersect, this type. Another type is also there. So in the syllabus only up to this. Okay, this is the next one, area between the two curves. Okay. Find the area of region bounded by the parabola y is equal to x square and y is equal to mod x. So y is equal to x square is equal to 4ay. Which parabola? This type of parabola. Next, in first year, relations and functions graphs, polynomial function graph, signum function, modulus function graphs. What is the mod x graph? This is the shape of V. V shape is this is y is equal to mod x graph. This is y is equal to x square. So this is the area. So diagram is okay, but what about limits? Upper limit, lower limit, what about limits? This is the limits. Okay. So limits, for example, x, y is equal to mod x, y is equal to x square. This is the diagram. So first of all, minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 means y is equal to mod of minus 1, 1. Mod of minus 1, 1. X square minus 1 whole square is also 1. 0. 0, 0. Okay. Next. 1. x is equal to 1, y is equal to mod x, mod 1, 1 square 1. So minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to mod of minus 2, 2. Y is equal to x square means 4. This is 2 means 2, 4. Okay. So x values both curves are equal when minus 1. Okay, minus 1 kade e curve same values. E curve same means what? This is the point is, this is minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. This is minus 1 comma 1. This point is minus 1 comma 4. So this is x is equal to minus 1. Next another one is x1. X is equal to 1. They both are equal. So 0. It's 0. Same. Okay. 0. Minus 2. Not same. Not same. So this is x is equal to 1. Okay. So area given y1 is equal to x square, y2 is equal to mod x. For example, say area A is equal, what is the limits? Minus 1 to 1. This is minus 1 to 1. What is the upper curve in the diagram? In the diagram, this is also mod x curve. This is the mod x curve. This is the parabola curve. What is the upper curve? Mod x is the upper curve. So y2 minus y1 dx. What is y2 mod x? This is y2 minus upper minus lower. Upper curve minus lower curve. Upper curve is mod x curve. Lower curve is parabola curve. So that is equal to 2 into 0 to 1. What is the property? Integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. This 0 to 1. y2 mod x minus y is equal to x square dx. So 2 into mod x, integral of mod x, already discussed. Mod x, integral mod x is equal to x mod x by 2 minus integral x square is equal to x cube by 3 over the integral 0 to 1. 2 into first upper limit 1 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 upper limit. Next 0 and something 0 by 0 0 0 0. So that is equal to 2 into 2 ki 3 LCM 6 3 minus 2. So that is equal to 1 by 3. LCM 3 1 by 6 2 1 2 3 so 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the LCM of given problem. Okay, this is important one. Okay, simple one. Next, last one. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola. Bounded by the parabola x square is equal to 4y. Bounded by the parabola x square is equal to 4y and x is equal to 4y minus 2 and x is equal to 4y minus 2. Okay. So x square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to 4ay. This is the line. Okay, x is equal to 4y minus 2. This is the line not passing through the origin. This one. This is the area. So diagram okay, line means this. Line okay, what about limits? So first of all, given x square is equal to 4y, that implies y is equal to x square by 4. Next, second one, x is equal to 4y minus 2, that implies y is equal to x plus 2 by 4. X plus 2 by 4. Table. X square by 4 is equal to y. X plus 2 by 4 is equal to y. So first of all, minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 means minus 2 whole square, 4 by 4, 1 no, 0, minus 2 plus 0, minus 1 no, minus 1 means minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 by 4, minus 1 plus 2, 1, 1 by 4, observe this. Next, 0, 0 means 0 by anything, 0, 2 by 4, 1 by 2, 0 plus 2. Next, 1 no, 1 by 4, 1 means 1 by 4, 1 plus 2, 3 by 4. Next, 2 means 2 square by 4, 1 no, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 by 2, 1 no. So what is we have to observation? Minus 1 no. X is equal to minus 1 means both curves are same value. So that point, at the point intersect the two curves. Okay, what is the minus 1? This is the minus 1 no, this point 0. Next, this is 1 no, this is 2. So intersect, this is 2 comma 1 no, this is the point 2 comma 1 no. This is minus 1 comma 1 by 4, this is point. Okay, so minus 1 to 2. The starting point is minus 1, intersecting point, this is minus 1. The ending point is 2. Into the both curves are same value. Same value means what? Intersect that point. Which point? 2 comma 1. So what is the area? Area A is equal to integral minus 1 to 2. Minus 1 to 2. What is the upper curve? Upper curve. This is upper curve. Upper curve y is equal to, this is the upper curve. X is equal to 4y minus 1. So this is y1, y2. So y2 upper curve line y2 minus y1 no dx. So minus 1 to 2 y2 x plus 2 by 4 minus y1 is equal to x square by 4 dx. X square by 4 dx. So we have to integrate. We have to integrate and you get the answer. Okay, this is homework. X by 4, x derivative integration x square by 2. So this we have to do. So the application of integration chapter completed. Next tomorrow let us go to the next chapter, differential equations. Okay, you do it.